Hello there. Now I'm an Internet Explorer now. Yay! So now we are going to see how to do private browsing in Internet Explorer. Well, this is the Internet Explorer 10, and now we are going to do private browsing in this. But before that, we are going to do a basic search like always. Yay! So now search for Mr. Barack Obama. I think you getting bored about it, right? Because I'm always like in every module I'm just searching start from Barack Obama, Mr. Barack. Okay, fine. In next module we can going to be change it. Okay, so I visited barackobama.com and place Control H in your browser, and you will see the history pages. So you can see this is recording our history pages. Okay, so just click on this and see it's refresh that window. So first of all, let's go to private mode. Okay, so in this in Internet Explorer, you just go to tool and go to safety and in private browsing. Well, if you are in the lower than Internet Explorer 10 like 9 or 8, so don't worry, just go to tool and it will show in this section in private browsing. Okay, so go to in private browsing and remember shortcuts because this is very important. This will save you a huge amount of time. Okay, it's Control Shift P, it's private browsing. Okay, so in private, click on the in private browsing and yay, it's appeared here. Well, I really like Internet Explorer private browsing looks because see in private, wow, this is awesome. And even you can see that like if you visit google.co.in, right, I mean see it's showing like it's really look like a very nice. Okay, so in this watch is the movie about a movie, right? I saw recently. It's Dawn of the Planet of the Apes. This is very awesome movie. I loved it a lot. Well, just visit IMDb. Okay, and just press Control H and see it's not showing here. Well, you say, oh wait, what is this? Well, this is the fun. This is a very interesting part of Internet Explorer private browsing because if you browse anything in public mode, okay, in general mode, it will going to appear in private window, in private history. But whatever you browse in private history, in private mode, it is not going to appear in this history, right? See, you can see this, right? I'm just visited in imdb.com and it's not appearing here. But if whatever I search in a general window, like see I search for my favorite movie is Transformers sorry Transformer 4 and visit here. Okay, and go to again a private in private mode. This is the private. Okay, and press Control H and see when visitor side, this see this is Transformer. It's appearing on the private window, but private window stuff is not going to appear in general window. So this is very awesome. I liked it about it actually. I think this is only happened in Internet Explorer. Okay, so this is awesome, and this is how you done private browsing in Internet Explorer. Okay, so this is, go enjoy it and see you in the next module. Thank you so much for having me. Thank you.